Hello, sorry for my devices is not good because it's not professional, but just for this online class. We will continue from where we start from last class. You can see we mentioned octal and hexadecimal. So what's the difference? I have an example here. You can see we have decimal, octal, binary, and hexadecimal. For the same number 100,100. So for decimal, we can present the number as here 0. Here we have 10 to the power first, 10 to the power second. Those power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 come from the position, right? You can say here is okay. We don't need the power, but from the second one, the power is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this number 1 is here 1, 0 is here 0. So it's the same. If we compare decimal, octal, binary, and hexadecimal, the formula is the same. The difference is just the base. Decimal, the base is 10. Octal, the base is 8. Binary base is 2. Hexadecimal base is 16. But you can say from here, the value 100,100. 100,100, 100,100 is the same. So that's the difference. So make sure you understand this. If you don't, please come to see me. I can give you another example. For the operator, make sure you understand what means remainder. It's powerful. So this is just some example. And just pay attention for this one. This one, 5 divided by 2. The results will be equal to 2 instead of 2.5. Because here is integer divided by integer. So if we use this one, 5.0 divided by 2, we will get a double value, 2.5. So make sure you get the 0. 0, the 5.0 is not optional. You have to add the 0. And for the remaining one mode, 5, remaining 2, result is 1. Again, make sure you understand the rules. This is just example. Think about, say, if today is Saturday, after 10 days, then which day? It's what's the day after 10 days? We can do this one by like 6 is today plus 10. 10 is after 10 days. Here we use the mode, while remainder by 7, then equal to 2. So 2 means Tuesday. So this is very useful. And please type the code in the Visual Basic. Later I will post a link. If you don't have the Visual Studio, there is the free one. Please install that one. And just type the code and build and run to see what you get. This is a exponent. This POW is the function. So this is the base. This is the exponent. For overflow, we mentioned for different type, we have a different size. So for the short type, the maximum is 32767. If you put a little bigger one, like this one, it will overflow, means the result will totally changed. Just be careful when you use variables. Make sure you understand their size. Also make sure you know how to do this one. This is arithmetic expression. You can say, if this is difficult for you, come to see me. I will help you. Finally, please to do an exercise to calculate some for finance. So the first month you deposit 100. The rate is 5%. The 5% actually is annual rate. So we need to calculate as monthly rate divided by 12. This is monthly rate. Then after the first month, what's the amount? So we use 100 multiply 1 plus monthly rate, get this number. And the second month, we deposit another 100. So 100 plus, this is a current, this is the balance from last month. Again, we need to use this again. This is second month. For the third month, again, we have another 100. This is the value after second month. And then we multiply this again. We continue to do that. So I put the steps here. So to do that, first you need to think about how many variables we need and what should be the type. Then we start to the calculation. We calculation for the first month. This just we use the formula. You need to translate those into code. And for the second month, we do this. Third month, fourth month, fifth month, and the sixth month. This is the result. Then you can display result. Again, as we mentioned, we first design the algorithm like this. Then we translate the algorithm into code. Please do this exercise. If you have a question, you can send me email. You can ask help. Also, when you finish, you may think about this, how can we do this more easier? Because we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How about if we have 10? So we need to have some way to do this more quickly. But don't worry about it. I will explain next class. Okay. So see you Tuesday. Don't forget to study the slides.